So this is 100% vegetable, but it looks like your regular swallow and feels exactly like it. I live to worship you, I live to worship you. To worship you, I live. To worship you, I live to worship you. Oh, oh. It's always good to fill your house with worship because that keeps the enemy away. The enemy literally gets mad and God is exalted. God is glorified in your home when you fill your home with the atmosphere of music worship. Praise God. Yeah, you mix with xylem husk and it's still 100% vegetable, this vegetable swallow, because xylem husk is literally a fiber. It doesn't have any nutrients, so it's safe to say this is 100% vegetable swallow.